Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain has reacted to this support area here that we communicated in the last video. It could indicate that this B wave is now complete. I explained to you that we can explore here a bullish structure for VeChain. However, a bearish one is easily possible as well. If we assume a lasting low has been established, then this move up would be a leading diagonal in the white wave count. Yeah, 5 waves up is what we would need to see, but it would have to be a leading diagonal. The subwave count is the same one as also, for example, a bearish scenario. Yeah, in the bearish scenario, we are dealing with flat structure, A wave up, overshooting B wave to the downside, and the C wave up. But if it's a C wave up as an ending diagonal or a wave 1 up as a leading diagonal, we will not know that until we get the next deeper pullback after all 5 waves up are complete. Okay, so we need the 5 waves up to at least give a bullish scenario really a chance. And but only with the 3 wave pullback afterwards, which would be a corrective pullback, which would provide a higher low, only then probabilities get clearer. Okay, so that means at the moment, both bearish and bullish wave counts are moving together. So again, the bearish one would be A, B, C, and then break down. Whereas the bullish one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is in the bearish count, the C wave, but then a corrective pullback and then go. So it will really be the move down after these 5 waves are complete that will give us some clarity. That means at the moment we don't even need to deal with that question, but we just focus on the structure. And in the last video, I highlighted to you that this here was likely the A wave of a 3rd wave in a diagonal pattern. So diagonals sometimes move in channels. I don't have a very well-defined structure here, but or very well-defined channel. But let's assume, could be something like that, could even form an ascending wedge, whatever. But let's assume the A wave topped, A wave of wave 3. Then indeed, this could have been the B wave pullback with the C wave still to come now. The thing is, the 3rd wave should reach at least the 1.236 extension. Better is the 1.38. And it hasn't reached any of that yet. And therefore, I cannot call that the 3rd wave. I can call that the A wave of the 3rd wave. This might have been the B wave, even though it was shallow, but B waves sometimes are shallow. And now in the C wave, yeah, it should reach, well, at least 2.5 cents, but probably it would have to be higher because of the because how shallow that B wave is. I also want to add the 1.38 to the chart. So 2.58 cents is still the next level. Then 2.76 and even 3 cents would seem likely in a C wave. So that's possible. Condition is that the 1.61 cent level is holding. 1.61 cent, because this is the 78.6 retrace and the level that should really hold to give us a C wave to the upside. Okay. Then we still need a 4th wave and we still need a 5th wave. And only after that move, we can really highlight that something more bullish is going on, but only if we get the 3 wave pullback. So it will literally be that pullback that will tell us the truth about how we are probably starting 2024. That's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. For both, you can find the links in the video description. There's additional content that you can find there every single day about trading, technical analysis, Elliott wave, and much more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.